Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this has to do with a few people asking me about apps and how much data apps can take over the internet, if there's a way to actually know what app is taking the most off the internet. A lot of internet users have data caps. That means there's a maximum amount of data they're allowed every month. And for these users, it's important to know how much data your computer is consuming and the different apps on it. Because sometimes you might see the counter is turning, but you have no idea why and what is actually using all that data. And how can you see this? It's quite easy. Simply go into your settings app. And in your settings, go into network and internet. Here it's going to give you the status of your internet connection. And one of the things that it's going to show you is the data usage. Here it says Wi-Fi 439.28 gigabytes. And now you want to know what is using all this data. Simply click Data Usage button. This will actually tell you each app and how much data each app has used on your computer. So this can help you understand why maybe there's more data than you think that's being used. So you could go with some apps from some, different updates or games or different apps that actually want to have some internal updates in the background and you don't know why. One cool thing about this also is that when you are on this page, if you have a data cap, if you have a limit every month, what you could do is actually enter that limit. Click here, and here you're going to see monthly, one time, or unlimited, depending on what you have. So here, monthly, then you choose your reset date. The reset date is the date when your counter, your internet data goes back to zero. When your internet data comes back to zero, depending on your internet service provider, it is different dates depending on who you are. Not everybody has the same date. Once you have that monthly reset date, enter the data limit. So here you can choose in megabytes. Most of us are in the gigabytes range, so you choose gigabytes and you enter, for example, if your data cap is 100 gigabytes a month, you just choose 100 monthly and click save. What's going to happen is that at 100 gigabytes, when you get close to it, Windows will actually let you know and will even stop your computer from consuming data on the connection when it reaches that limit. So it can ensure that you won't pay fees because you're going over your data cap. So that's the good thing about the data limit that you could set here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.